You can extend your hand, stay back a little bit. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Break. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds to go. Break. चलो स्टार्ट. Ten seconds. Break.
This is your first year, right? Finished first year. And what's your major? Oh yeah.
10 seconds to go. Wait. Wait till gong gong. Stay, stay, stay. Stay alert. Huh. Very good. Thirty seconds. Good touch. Very good. Perfect. Sudhakshin, increase your reach. Haan. 10 seconds to go. Great, great, great. Get ready. Go. Goes below belt. 30 seconds. No holding. Was not hard, na? Very good. 10 seconds. It was hard. Okay. Break. Now with head guard. Start. Touching, break. Start. Thirty seconds. You can hit body shots. Third, 10 seconds. You can't hit hard. Very good. Good round. Sudakshin, hi.
Hey, what's
How are you
up?
feeling?
I'm feeling very good.
What? And you?
I'm feeling very good also. Nice car.
Stay ready. Stay ready. Start. Break. Start. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Break. 10 seconds to go. It's on 8th floor, Urmi Estate. Start. Thirty seconds.
Sorry.
10 seconds. Very good. Good round. Start. Break. Center. Up. Break. Center. Start. Break. You can't turn. 10 seconds. No hard hitting. Very good. Good round. And final round. 10th round.
Start हो गया?
Start. No hard hitting. Break. Start. Don't push. Only body shots. Chalo. Only body shots. Ten seconds to go. Very good. Good round. Good round. Break. So, tell me about your experience.
Lot of fun.
What?
Just exhausted after a very good session, and he has a very good reach, which he was able to capitalize on. And with very little experience, he already has a great stamina. And the fact that he's already done some more rounds and still has a energy to go, wow, he's going to be great if he goes at it.
What about your?
I feel I need to reduce my cigarettes. And yeah, I need to build on my stamina. Yeah.
What do you want to tell to people?
Try boxing. You'll find that it's one of the best ways of getting fit.
What about you?
My opponent was good. His attacking, like he was slow in the first half, then he kept on increasing the pace of his attacking. I think first I was like trying to defend, but as he kept increasing pace, then I had to like also attack, or else I would like only be hit. So I think his attacking was good. I was trying to work on my defense more to like dodge, because I think I like dodging more, because when I dodge, I feel more satisfied than hitting the punches. I think my reflexes, I want to improve my reflexes, and I think his speed gave me an opportunity to do that. Yeah. First sparring session, I enjoyed it.
Okay. What do you want to tell people about white collar boxing?
Yeah, so I have just joined it, I think 1 month ago, and we do not only learn boxing, we have overall body development. Like we do a proper body conditioning before learning boxing. So I think that is more like crucial for us, rather than strictly learning to box first. I think I have learned a lot in these 20 days. So I think everyone should do boxing. It increases their confidence, and I think when I see people doing boxing and MMA, it seems so cool. So I started doing that, and it is worth it. So I think everyone should try to do boxing. Yeah.
Thank you.
Deepak. So I'm interning here at Business Star. I'm from IIM Ahmedabad. I've just completed my first year there. I like to play sports. I'm in the swimming team in Ahmedabad. My dad is in Navy, so I've always liked sports and playing sports. I've learned swimming from a young age, and this is my first time learning boxing. I think I've always wanted to learn after watching MMA fights and boxing, and so like this is like when I got to know that like boxing is being taught here, I just came that day of the first time here. I like to do gym, but right now I'm doing boxing. I think I will continue it after going to IIM Ahmedabad too. So I think yeah, it's great for my confidence and overall body strengthening, and like I think I'm also building muscle here. Like I have to do 100 push-ups every day, kind of like, and stretching. So I think this is an overall body development along with learning the skill of boxing. So yeah, thank you.
Akshin Shetty. I come from a family of healthcare professionals. So fitness has always been a part of my life, my diet, and I've always played sports. I was also in my college sports committee, and when I joined Leo Burnett at Orkney Estate, I felt like the work was getting very intense. I needed some kind of an outlet, so I started to Google for boxing places near me, near Marol, and I was not able to find one. But surprisingly, the next few days, suddenly I see in Umesh State that there's boxing at the exact place that I work, just on the 8th floor. And that's when I joined Banju Maida sir. And after that, I've been coming here almost every week. And I've done a lot of fitness routines. I've done gym, I've played football. But hands down, this is one of the best fitness routines that I've adopted. It's not just boxing, but it's about building hand-eye coordination, isolating each and every muscle, building a better muscle memory and your mind-body connection. So I feel like this gives you a very holistic way of approaching not just boxing, but your body as a whole.